going to make dishwasher pods. We're using all these ingredients. Salt, baking soda, vinegar, dish soap. 1 cup, 1/4 cup. This is a teaspoon, a spatula, a silicone ice cube mold. He's distracting me.
Sorry.
If you don't want to use a measuring cup, you can also use
This.
scale.
A scale. We need 1 cup of baking soda.
So we're measuring by weight. 1 cup is 8 ounces. 1/4 cup of salt. Yep, you did it. Okay. Go ahead and add it there.
Here. Mix it up. We gotta mix it up. We need 2 teaspoons of soap.
Okay, so 2 teaspoons of dish soap. Yep.
We need 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Can you hold it for me?
Okay, all right.
Here's the vinegar.
Mommy's gonna help with this because it's heavy. Okay, and it's gonna bubble. Ooh. All right.
It's like soda and like I don't know what the other one's called.
Okay, mix it well.
Mix it with soap. Smells good.
Yeah.
Smells good a little bit. Yuck. Oh, it smells like slime a little bit actually. It's very good until it's coming off the side. Is this enough?
Smile. Nice. Smells so fresh.
It smells like slime.
Okay, so now it should look like this.
It should look like this. Oh my god, it looks like snow. Now we pack it into this Hello Kitty. Hello Kitties and bones. After we're done with this, we have to let it dry overnight. Tuck it in there. I'll do my hand. My hand's more better. Actually, it kind of looks like for eating, but don't eat it. Don't eat it.
Okay, and so this is what the completed Hello Kitty dishwasher pod mold looks like.
And we also made some shapes. Now we have to wait for these to dry overnight. Bye bye.